How to clean one-way check valve. Here's the compressor check valve. Air is going to purifier, and this check valve prevents air coming back to the system from purifier. If you have a slight leak from your automatic drains, that means that check valve is leaking air back to the system. First thing you need to do, you remove the check valve. You remove this, and then you remove the check valve from here, and then you have your check valve in your hand, just like this. Second, now we're gonna open up the check valve. I will remove this top bolt from the body. When I remove it, this is what I see inside. Grabbing a flathead screwdriver, I'm going to remove the top part. Then this is what I have inside. Check valve leaks because of this O-ring right here. What you can do, you can give it a clean, put it back in, or sometimes I just flip it. This way I'm just gonna flip the O-ring and put it back in. So the washer O-ring goes first, washer goes second, and then this nipple sits on the spring. Then I just need to put it back. Now I make sure that it's tight, and then there's another O-ring here. You close it up. Okay. This side is compressor fitting, so you don't need to put a Teflon tape, but this side goes in the purifier tower. You need to apply a Teflon tape here, and then once you put it back, it will stop leaking.